Meaning of infection.
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 Infection. Infection refers to the invasion and multiplication of harmful microorganisms such as viruses, bacteria, fungi, or parasites in a host organism's body. Infection can cause various symptoms, such as fever, fatigue, inflammation, and pain, depending on the type and location of the infection. If left untreated, infections can progress and lead to serious complications, including organ damage and even death. With the emergence of antibiotic-resistant strains of microorganisms, preventing infection through vaccination, hygiene practices, and avoiding exposure to infected individuals is becoming increasingly important.